Cedreo is the home design software for construction and remodeling professionals. Easily draft house plan proposals in a matter of minutes and sell more using stunning 3D renderings. How does it actually work? First, draw your floor plan working intuitively. Then add the roof. Furnish the home, decorate the interior and exterior, and customize the wall and floor coverings to give the 3D house its personal atmosphere. 3 clicks is all it takes to generate your photorealistic 3D rendering. Your projects are stored and can be shared with your team, ready to be reused to save you time. Cedreo is the solution that enables you to take on more house projects more quickly and with a better conversion rate. With Cedreo, you increase your sales, optimize the way you work, and improve your brand image. Selling a construction or remodeling project has never been so easy. Try it now.